Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add the sound effect in CapCut to make your video even cooler. Alright, for example, I'm just going to add effect before, so just tap on effect button, select video effect, and I'm going to select the net here and then select the rain effect, click check mark just for the duration, and I'm going to add the sound effect. So just tap on audio and select effect, and you can search for the sound effect. For example, according to the video effect, I'm going to add the rain. Just select this one you like, just for the duration. Split and remove and use it. So here we go. Alright, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.